Pinky from Vodacom is still on the dock on the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial. She continued providing cell phone records, and they are busy with accused number 3 cell phone records, Mngcobo. The state prosecutor, Sibanda, stated that the evidence before court is that Mngcobo provided his number to the court, but the record shows that it's not his personal number, and Pinky confirmed that Mngcobo's name does not appear on the record document. The state witness said on the 17th of June 2020, number ending 6890 was on voicemail, and that call came from a number ending 7786. That lasted about only 2 seconds, and number 228 shows Ndisa and 081057, and this number attempted to call accused number 2 Bongani Danzi. And on the 20th of June, 6890 received an SMS from number ending 6002. She further said that Buthelezi with number 072038, it's the number appearing on section 205, and there was interaction between two numbers, and it ended on the 20th of June for 22 seconds, and there were 6 SMS transactions. On the 20th of June at 15:07, 6890 was on voicemail, and the number that called was 6750 and lasted about 22 seconds, and 119 reflects Mama Weni, and that number is 079069. On 26 June at about 1941, made a call that lasted 2 seconds. Thereafter, 22 seconds later at 1941, another voicemail that lasted 5 seconds from number ending 6750. And on the 26th of June 2020 at about 1640, the number ending 6890 received a call from the number ending 6750. That lasted for 61 seconds. Thereafter, at 1723, 6890 received an SMS from the number ending 2412, and number 149 reflects Gogo 066068. On the 28th of July 2020 at about 902, the number ending 6890 was on voicemail, and that call came from number ending 6397 and lasted for 4 seconds. And it also shows Sis Queen, and the number is 072255. On the 24th of August 2020 at about 2042, it reflects 6890 receiving a call from number ending 2189 that lasted about 750 seconds, and 160 reflects S. Bintanzi, which is 072793. On the 25th of August 2020 at about 2013, 6890 made an outgoing call that lasted 1180 seconds to the number ending 6995, and the index 170 shows Baba Zenzeka 07281 on the 31st of August 2020 at 1722. Number ending 6890 made a call to number ending 7126, which lasted 204 seconds, and 116 shows Nonkanyiso, number is 07375. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.